guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video we're gonna be creating this look right here, which is crazy. You're gonna get to see my daughter all over and some like things in the background and crazy, but I'm gonna do a voiceover so you guys don't have to hear all the craziness going on in the background. But yeah, this is what we are creating, and in today's video we're gonna be using the new Juvia's Place things that I got in during the holiday. And you guys know it was a lot, so I'll list down below the video where I was like talking about all these palettes and showing you guys when they were new. And yeah, we're gonna be using this one, so I'm just gonna quickly show you guys. Here are the colors we are playing with for the face. I'm gonna be using where is it, this one as a bronzer and this one as blush, this one right here, blush as well, like some of the shimmery on top for like blush situation. And for the eyes we're gonna be playing with this guy right here, which is really pretty. I love it. And here are the colors, you guys. So pretty and fun. That's what I have right now. And please look past the lashes, because we have bad lashes, bad glue, and bad lash application. So just don't pay attention to them because they're crazy. They're Kala, by the way, and I got them at Marshall. They're pretty cheap, and that's why they look so cheap. But looking past that, the the eye look looks really nicely. I gotta say, the eyeshadows are on point. So let's keep on watching. All right, let's start with this game, you guys. This color is everything. I'm gonna be using it as a bronzer, but I'm pretty sure it was supposed to be a blush. But anyways, we're rolling with it. I'm gonna be applying it, and also this blush right here. Also adding this shimmery one on top just to make it fun. I'm really liking how it's turning out, you guys. I know it looks a little bit blushy right now, but it looks good. I really enjoy it. Now I'm grabbing this so bold color and starting my look with it. I know it's so risky, but I promise you guys I'm trusting the process just as much as you're trusting me, because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Also, we got some company here with me, so if you see some craziness going on, it's my daughter pushing me around from behind my seat. So we have that too. Now I'm just quickly going to be cleaning up like a cut crease kind of situation right here. And you guys, I am really liking it. Also, I didn't tell you I added that kind of yellowy mustardy kind of color on top, and I was caught by that because my daughter was just pushing me and I couldn't show you guys, but I'm telling you. And now I'm just grabbing this light brown kind of neutral and start placing it in my outer V just to create that shape of the eye. And as you can see, you guys, she's just having so much fun pushing me around, and I just love when she's trying to be funny with me. I love her. Now I'm just grabbing this shade right here and placing it all over my lid, you guys, just following that cut crease that we did. It looks so good, you guys. I really like the creaminess of this eyeshadow. It's perfection, you guys. You gotta try this one, it's so good. Also added this other shimmer with my finger and just gave it a little bit of more pop to the lid, and I really like how it came out. I'm now adding this lighter shimmer to the inner corners of my eyes just to make it quite highlighted in that area right there, and I kind of like it. Now jumping over to my lower lash part, just grabbing this bright color right here, not doing much to it. Highlighting with the Jaclyn Hill in the color Ice. I really like this one. It's one of my favorites right now. And also using this pencil in my waterline, something neutral. Lining my lips with this color from Rimmel London. This is the color 045 Epic. Now going over with this e.l.f. lipstick in the color creme. Now using this Lorac gloss in the color Savior Fair. Very, very pretty color. So as I was saying, you guys, I am so impressed with the look, and it's also fun. Just looking past the lash situation right here, with a good lash it would have looked so much bomb, but it is so cool to have a look like this. I would have added a liner if I had like a gold one, but I don't have one, so that's what I have would have done. But I really like how the look turned out to be. It's really fun and pretty. I really enjoy it, and I do enjoy these palettes, you guys. They're really good quality, and for the price that I got them at, it was a steal, let me tell you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.